All right. Yeah, because we use that connector to connect to the thing.
Okay, so.
This is as close as I'm going to get to you in this position ever.
I know, right? Okay, so we're on black. Black.
That should be constant hot.
Should be. Well, actually, yeah, should be. Okay. So, let me know what I'm reading.
12-2.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, fuck. Now they're in the back seat. 12-4-9.
So that's constantly fucking hot.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not supposed to be.
Because that's the dome.
Well, it probably is. Ay, gee, what the hell just bit me?
Did you get arced? Did it arc? I bet you shorted yourself and arced yourself.
That sucked.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
You gonna live?
I think. Okay, so I should be at 12 and some change.
12-5-2.
Okay, now, I want to see something.
He wants to see London. He wants to see France. He wants to see where the naked ladies dance.
Oh, been there, fucking done that before.
Oh, boy.
Shit. Okay, so take that out. Gonna plug this one in for just a minute.
Hey, look, you have
I have courtesy lights. So, that's to here.
Courtesy?
That's to here. What's not hooked up?
I can't see. That's for the... Looks like it's a headlight switch.
Shouldn't be. I have the headlight switch hooked up.
Is that pink? And what do we have? You're now a table.
Pink, gray, I'm sorry, double brown, pink, double blue, red.
Headlight switch.
Headlight switch. Why is that not in there?
It's right there.
Okay. So, let's put this here.
Dome light's red on its own connector. Oh, dome light has its own connector harness separate, and it shares with the trunk light. In case you weren't already confused as fuck. Confused as fuck. Okay, now we have light that says lights, like you're fucking... Oh, our gauges are all lit up and pretty. This is your panel light switch is on. Okay, and then your headlight switch there is off now. And dome is all the way up on the other one, which clock still doesn't work, which I don't understand why. Because we had clock power before.
What did we do different? The only thing we did different.
Put the board in.
Mm-hmm.
The board doesn't have anything to do with the clock power.
Nope.
Because that's tack signal.
So that
It
means
shares positive off of tack signal.
Okay.
What if we fire the car up if it has tack signal?
Okay, that's courtesy.
Mm-hmm.
This should be dome.
That's dome.
Okay. So dome. And this one's which one?
Which one? The second one over?
Yep.
That would be the instrument cluster. But it doesn't come on unless the headlight switch is on.
Okay. So if I leave these two out for the moment.
And that's dome and courtesy you're leaving?
Yep, dome and courtesy.
Coitus?
Coitus. Coitus! It's coitus!
Is that like kind of her syphilis?
Kind of her for syphilades, right? What? Okay, so that should be 12.
Let me check. Right now, are you touching? Because you ain't got...
It might help if I fucking hook it up.
Yeah, I was like, you ain't got shit.
Okay, let's do this. Anything.
0.01.
So, no.
Nothing.
Okay.
No juice. No juice.
Okay. Can you get the keys?
Yeah, I'll play Go Fish. Hold on.
All right, you play Go Fish.